Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the essentials: pigment shard, void solvent, and adhesive gel. Once done, move to a nearby safe forge node in your 1x sector to avoid NPC patrols. Make sure to equip minimal armor to remain light and slip past sensors. Carry one stealth consumable for emergencies. Begin the melding sequence immediately. Place shard, add solvent in a slow, steady stream, then apply gel. This initiates the paint synthesis reaction. Watch gauges and listen for the hum that signals progress. You continue by stabilizing the reaction. Monitor temperature, flux, and purity gauges. These three dictate whether the paint forms correctly. Once gauges drift, adjust the solvent drip between 0, 5, and 1, 0 ml per second to tame flux spikes while keeping temperature within safe margins. Make short, deliberate pulses on the control interface to nudge purity back when it wanders. While you work, keep one hand free for manual venting. This prevents runaway reactions and preserves the pigment's hue and adhesion properties. You finish by curing and inspecting the new paint. After synthesis, apply low UV for about 7 to 10 minutes to set polymers evenly. Make sure to rotate the object slowly during cure. Inspect seams with a loupe. If imperfections appear, reflow the area with a touch of adhesive gel and repeat a shorter cure cycle. If the batch destabilizes, use an emergency neutralizer to halt reactions safely. One key tip: if color shifts, check solvent purity first. Impurities cause most hue errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.